If it's a high-pressure malfunction because of this new thing, it doesn't have a high-pressure pattern like the old 1000 series. Then we'll deal with it in a few ways. And that means that if we take down the print module, if there's a lot of liquid in it, it means we're not sealing up well. We'll have to clean up if we're in the middle of a lot of shampoo. If it's dirty, we'll clean it up with the washing machine and then use this ball. And then blow it up a lot. There's something wrong with the pressure bag. We can try the pressure bag and then what? There's also a possible problem with the main board. It can cause this high pressure malfunction, and there's one that means we're behind this. If there's a short shot, we'll have a high pressure problem.